Credit Saint Credit Repair Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Credit Saint is a well-established credit repair company known for its tiered service levels, each targeting different levels of credit complexity. Their core features include credit report analysis, customized dispute letters sent to credit bureaus, and creditor interventions. They offer three main service tiers: Credit Polish, Credit Remodel, and Clean Slate. Credit Polish tackles minor inaccuracies with 5 bureau challenges per cycle. Credit Remodel is for moderate repair needs, increasing bureau challenges to 10 per cycle and adding creditor interventions. Clean Slate is their most aggressive package, offering unlimited bureau challenges and creditor interventions, alongside inquiry targeting. Credit Saint is best suited for individuals who have a clear understanding of their credit issues and want a hands-on approach to credit repair with varying levels of support and dispute volume. Their primary strength lies in their clearly defined pricing structure and transparent service offerings. You know exactly what you're paying for at each tier. Additionally, they possess a strong track record and positive online reputation, suggesting a consistent level of service. The creditor intervention feature, offered in the higher tiers, can be particularly valuable for negotiating with creditors to remove negative items directly. However, a significant weakness is the higher cost compared to some competitors. While the tiered system allows for flexibility, the Clean Slate package, in particular, can be expensive. Another potential drawback is that the effectiveness of credit repair ultimately depends on the accuracy of the information being disputed. Credit Saint can't remove accurate, negative information, regardless of the package chosen. Furthermore, their website, while informative, can be a little overwhelming to navigate, potentially making it difficult for some users to quickly assess their needs and choose the appropriate plan. Before choosing Credit Saint, carefully review your credit report, identify the inaccuracies, and realistically assess your budget. If you have numerous errors and can afford the higher tier plans, their services might be a worthwhile investment. Conversely, if you only have a few inaccuracies, exploring more budget-friendly options or even attempting DIY credit repair might be more suitable. Overall, Credit Saint is a reputable company that can effectively address credit inaccuracies, but their higher pricing requires careful consideration to ensure it aligns with your specific needs and financial situation. Remember that credit repair requires patience and realistic expectations. There are no guaranteed results, and it's crucial to be wary of any company making such promises.